Right then, hello YouTube. It's painted. The can of silica spray that I bought was a temporary coat. Got the grey primer on there, and I did a temporary coat of the gloss. And the gloss, there wasn't enough in the can to do this entire thing. So I finished it up with matte black. It'll do for temporary until we can neaten it up, test how strong it is and neaten it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit it to the bike today. The old foot pegs are already off. All we've got to do is put this on. Right. On the other side of the bike, I've put some towels on the exhaust so I don't knock it. Well, this is what we're going to do. I've got 12mm there ready to go. Got my nuts ready to go. And I've got this here, which is going to keep it in place while I put the nuts in. Here we go. Going to need that off there like that. Stick that there for the moment. And then that goes under there. On there. Miss all the... there we go. I'm trying to line up miles away. There we go. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So now we take a bungee. Swing it under there, through here, and down to there, and that keeps everything in place. So now I can adjust into place. That's that. That in place. To the other side. Oh, that's perfect. There we go. That's it. What we do is do it to loose first. Loose so it moves. I'll take this off so it gives us some movement. Right. What we have is the original 2 bolts and the aluminium washer to hold it all together, and that just goes in the usual place. So, do top first. So we don't tighten up them yet. Do the other side. In. Then it's just a matter of tightening them up. It's fairly central. Right, what I've got to do now, tighten them up. It should pull it all together. This is fairly strong as it is. These are meant to hold a human standing on them, so this is easily going to hold, these bolts are easily going to hold this. I've been doing this for years, it'll be fine. So I'll just tighten them up and we'll fit the trailer. Right, I've tightened it up. That's what we want. No movement. That's exactly what we want. It'll do. Now let's put the trailer on. That's the top bolt. This is the bottom bolt. That all goes groovy. That's fine. They're both 19s. There's the island bolt that needs to go in there. So, this needs to go in here. Go on there. loosely so I can get the trailer back on. You've seen this before. What the heck? Line up the trailer, kick away the foot. Should go like that. Should just slide in position. There we go. Don't want the bike moving. I think that's full. And just tighten it down with a 19mm spanner. There we go. We're in. Should go by hand. Allen key that up. Might be a bit tight on there. Dial them back a little bit. Just tighten it up. That should tighten up quite tight. Oh, that's not going anywhere. And tighten these down. That's not going anywhere. That's not going anywhere. That's solid. Not going anywhere. It's on. Now to put the electrics all on. We're in business. Right then, putting the electrics on. Now, the little hitch point is, well, the little electric hookup is behind this panel here, which is very difficult to get behind. So what I do is I take the top panel off, and it just makes it easy to do this. So, we take our electrical hitch point, and we basically guide it under to where it needs to be. It needs to be about there. We'll take our. Can I go over? Let's do over. Over. Yeah, that's it. That's where I want it. And that just clips into this little connector here. As I say, it makes it a lot easier if you can take the. That's clipped into place. Pop it behind the panel. Panel keeps everything in place lovely. Click the panel into its slot. So you can see it's nicely hidden. Now what we do is we take our little clips that I'm using, keep the wires out of the way, and clip it into place. See these little clips. These I found. There's plenty of movement there. We've got it all in place. All hanging underneath. Plenty of manoeuvre there for the cable. Our business, it should work. Right, just put everything back in place and then I'll show you the lights working. Right, it's a little dark in here, but you can see it's on the right plane. Let's just test to see if everything works. Right, power is on and we have a light. Oh, we've got the hazard lights working as well. Excellent. Turn that off. So, got a back brake. Here we go. Front brake. Well, that's the rear brake. That's the front brake. Indicator left. We've got indicator left. Indicator right. Got indicators right. And then we did the hazard flash. We've already checked. Hazards are working. It will brighten up once the engine's running. It's just there's no engine running at the moment. So yeah, it's on, it works. Show you a profile. Right, there we go. Mind the towels, they're just covering my number plates, but there we go. It looks fairly straight. Let's go around here. It looks fairly straight. It is fairly straight, to be honest. You see where the electrics go to there. There we go. Done. Right, she's done. She's on. She'll do. I've got a bit of a journey this weekend, about 100 miles, so this should be a good shakedown run. I'm going to run it for a couple of weeks with the temporary paint on. There's a couple of improvements I want to make, which I'll probably do, and then we'll pop a proper layer of paint on there. There are improvements to the trailer as well I want to make, specifically looks, so that's something to watch in the future. So thank you for watching. Ride safe. Goodbye, YouTube.